it's Sierra with WTI. Blackheads are the most infuriating thing for me and the hardest thing for me to get rid of. It's been a very, very long journey for me, but I finally found Mary Kay's Clear Proof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask, and it has been an absolute lifesaver for me. Super easy to apply, and it's so creamy when you put it on. You just apply it all over your skin right after you wash it, avoiding the mouth area and your eye area. You leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes. I like to use it for 15 minutes because that's when it starts to kind of like dry up and crackle. You can actually see it delving in and getting into all of your pores, which is amazing and a sign that it's working. Rinsing it off is super simple also. I'll just wipe it off with a face wipe, but I also wash my face with warm water in the sink and it comes off perfect. Here's me in the natural light right after. My skin just feels like bouncy and soft, and you can even clearly see the difference. I use this 2 or 3 times a week, and I can notice the bigger, blacker pores just slowly turn into like a nearly invisible blemish. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.